Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I'm going to clean my 2002 Honda Civic LX two-door coupe car. Look how the insides are. So I'm going to clean all the mess all over and my tool for today, this Dart Devil handheld vacuum. It's a lithium power wireless one, cordless, sorry, and these two brushes. So let me start my cleaning process. So this is how dirty this car is. I bought this car new, sorry, used one, and it's very dirty all over the places, so I need to clean it up. So let's see how the outcome becomes. My plan is to actually get these floor mats, all of them, into my home, because in my parking lot there is no electricity connection. So I'll be doing basic cleaning with this, and the floor mats will be cleaned in my home. I have a bigger shark vacuum, so with that I can clean these floor mats as well. So let's see. I'm going to remove this back seat and clean what's behind it. So that is the thing. Look at what there are so many darts inside of this vehicle. I am going to clean all this up. Madam,
okay.
Can you hold this? This one.
Ita.
Mobile.
Love.
We need to use the brush to actually remove the stain from the, then from the body, and then try to vacuum it up by my vacuum cleaner. It's a very small one, so before doing anything you need to remove your dust. Also I need to clean this up also. Yeah, these things. And this brush is not useful for that. I think I have another brush.
Use brush.
Can we use this one? Yeah. This is much more useful, I guess. This is how it's become after finishing my Daredevil's battery died. Cleaning that, I just cleaned the loose darts all over the places, and if I can swipe with some soapy water or something, then it will be very clean. So I'll try to do that, and in the meanwhile I'll try to charge this one and take the floor mats to the upstairs while this one will be charging, and I will be cleaning those floor mats, very dirty. So let's see. So here is my home vacuum. I'm going to clean these things with this vacuum because it has much higher suction power, and I think it will be very clean after cleaning. And this vacuum is being charged. After finishing the charge and the cleaning, I will go back to the car again and try to clean the rest of the derbies from the floor. Okay. This is actually how it's become after wiping with the soapy water only, and I'm going to show how much dirt was inside of it. Look at this. Actually, people don't clean their inside beneath their seats, and this is my back seat after cleaning with my home what is called vacuum cleaner. So that is also a small one, like 500 watt. So this is the best I can clean with my home vacuum cleaner, and this is the after of cleaning. I'm going to clean this one. My well, cordless one was not charged yet full, so after it's charged I will try to clean all the things. I don't think it will clean the floors, but the floor mats are all clean, so I'm going to bring them just in a while.